Now sit back with your back against the seat and your head against the headrest. Dare to enjoy your ride on Tempesto.
Oh yeah. Oh man! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, my wife would love this.
Welcome back, Daredevils. Exiting guests, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar, lift the harness, and exit quickly but carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tempesto, and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Tight fit getting out of there.
Welcome back.
Nice.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and your head against the headrest. Dare to enjoy your ride on Tempesto. Welcome back, Daredevils. Exiting guests, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar, lift the harness, and exit quickly but carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tempesto, and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Boarding guests, step carefully but quickly in the seats directly in front of you.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.